welcome back to our channel. So today my mom is making chicken pickle. The first step is we should take the boneless chicken and we should wash it. Then we should deep fry it. After deep frying, we should put it here and we should add the pure ginger garlic paste. Fresh ginger garlic paste. Guys, we should fry it until it will be golden brown. Guys, it's golden brown color and we should add jeera dhania powder and mix it. Then some red mirchi powder. Then turn off the stove. Next we should add the chicken pieces that we deep fried it. And mix it. Cooling. If required, you can add the lemon juice. As we should add salt. Then mix. Guys, we are adding lemon to it. So then we should put this in a jar, and if we put in the jar, it will be stored for 1 month.
And more than 1 month.
Yummy chicken pickle ready.
So
So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. So again, thanks and bye bye.